Meet Norma Jean. This is a very special boat. This boat tested all of my skills, most of my patience, and every bit of my endurance. But she came out looking absolutely fabulous. There was a lot of repair work to do, which is a tough thing on a boat this age because she's brand new, so you got to make sure it looks flawless. Straightened her finish out, and I'd say she looks really good. We'll do a quick walk around here. Ceramic coated the boat and the trailer. I'm going to clean the sea deck one more time tomorrow when I vacuum. Aiming for better than new condition. It's a tall drink to order. She came out looking really beautiful. I love this color scheme. Absolutely amazing colors. That's the customer's mom, and this boat is in honor of her. So it was nice to be a part of the tribute and bring this boat to absolute peak condition. Look at that. Crazy finish. Norma Jean. Brand new emblems. Sitting on a mirror now. This thing's going to be an absolute head turner at the lake. Do a little dressing on the trolling motor. And here in a minute I'm going to button her up and put the cover back on her. Just wanted to show it off a little bit because this is one bad A boat, buddy. And I bet you she cooks too. Cooking with gas. Look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful color you've ever seen? Norma Jean would be proud. I even fixed the Phoenix emblem. Interior ceramic coated. Like I said, I'm gonna shampoo the sea deck one more time because I got a little bit dirty. But the customer will never see that except for in the video. Sorry, buddy. I gotta walk somewhere. Some pretty amazing eye candy. That's what the job's about. All right. The next time this boat comes out, it'll be for Daddy to look at her. Good night, Norma Jean.